This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Tightening Toner. This is 25 mils. So this is like a small travel size, but it still allows me to use it, and I've used this before. What I really love, when I'm doing skincare, I do love a scented product because it just kind of gives the aroma. And this has that beautiful like watermelon candy kind of smell that, I don't know, almost maybe like watermelon jelly ranchers, but that really just like brings me back to all the nostalgia. What I love too is, as you can see, it's almost like a thicker texture of water, like almost like a heavier water, like a more viscous water. But this really just gives you all the glow that I would use or need and want without the heaviness of a cream. So I really do love to do this like under my makeup, under skincare. This is kind of almost like, for me, like a toner serum hybrid. So that's why I really love this. This also has some great things in this. It says a PHA and BHA, which really exfoliates the skin, decongests, and tightens pores for a clear looking skin. This also has hyaluronic acid, which holds 1,000 times its weight in water and really instantly hydrates. As you can see, definitely my skin needs a hydration, especially in the summer too. I want that hydration, but without the heaviness of some like lotions and moisturizer. It just doesn't layer well on my skin. This also has cactus water, which contains electrolytes, amino acids, and really replenishes the skin. This also too has watermelon extract, which is really rich in antioxidants and soothes and hydrates the skin. And also it gives that great watermelon scent. So if you're looking for a new toner, this is definitely one that you need in your life. If you haven't used it, this is definitely, it's a whole experience when you use it. The scent, what it does for your skin, it's just absolutely amazing. So you need this in your life.